Hello, it's your teacher, Miss Esther, and today we have a new friend. This is Bee, Bee the bear. Say hello, Bee. Hello, Bee. So Bee the bear likes to blow bubbles. I have a bubble blower right here. I'm gonna hold it up next to my mouth, and I'm gonna go like this. Ba, ba, ba. I'm gonna make really loud bubbles. Watch. Ba, ba, ba. I'm gonna make baby bubbles. Ba, ba, ba. Make sure you don't add an sound when you're saying the sound of B. It's not this. Ba. It's kind of like, it's almost like you can hear the bubbles in the air pop. Ba, ba, ba. So why don't you hold up your pretend bubble blower by putting your two fingers together and going like this. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, so we're going to hear the song and you're going to make the action in the song. Here we go. Part of the song, I guess.
Bee the bear blows bright blue bubbles.
Ba, ba, ba.
Is the sound she makes while blowing into her bubble.
Let's do it again. Ready?
Blow.
Ba, ba, ba.
She blows
Big bubbles. Ready? Ba, ba, ba.
She blows even bigger bubbles.
Okay, so a fun activity you can do with this is your instructor will help you with this. You can have a little bit of water, a teaspoon of dish soap, and 3 tablespoons of paint, and you blow into it with a straw and your bubbles will come out and your paper can go on top and you can make bubble art that way. Another fun thing you can do is if your instructor, parent at home, has some bubble wrap, you can make this sound each time you pop a bubble. Watch. Let's find a big bubble. There you go. Ah, that was a good one. And you can make bubble art by dipping this into paint and putting it on your paper too. Okay, so that's fun. If you're ready to write the letter B in the Amazing Action Alphabet Handwriting 1 book, it will show you how to start at the face, go down to the bear's bottom, bring it into the middle of the belly, out from the belly down to the bear's bottom. The lowercase b is down to the bear's bottom again, and a big round spot for the belly. Okay, so another fun thing you can do to review your letter sounds is a fun one. It's color bear, color bear. What do I see? I see a green bear looking at me. Keep that color there for a second. Green bear, what do we see? I see a yellow bear looking at me. Another thing your instructor can do with you today for the letters, I'm going to do this color. She can do letter bear, what do you see? I see a bee looking at me. Bee bear, what do you see? I see a, let's do this one, A looking at me. And make one review all the letters you've taught or that's been taught to you so far. That's a fun way to review your letters. Okay, so a fun snack that's found in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activity book is right here. You've got Ritz crackers and you have raisins, and this time I use cranberries. And so I have a brown bear. My ears are on the top. There's my eyes, there's my nose, my feet, my mouth. And you can have a bear snack for Bear Day today. Another fun thing you can do with your instructor is you can have bear tracks. And your bear tracks can have the letters that you've learned about so far, and you can walk on them, and you can say when you say the name and sound. So those of you that are ready to read in your Amazing Action Alphabet beginning reader book, you should be on lesson 5. It's Bear Day. And so what we're going to do before we start reading is we're going to do the word family. These letters are the at family, and they're in the at family house. You can read them here, or what I've done for you, it just made it a little bit funner, and I have it on a bear slide. So let's slide these two sounds together. Ready? At. Say the fast way. At. Now let's do the first sound. With that, ready? Mat. Try this one. Bat and sat. Good job. Practice that a couple times, and after that's finished, you can practice the words that you should be able to read fast. Remember this red word? What's that word? The. At and am. Now, what I want you to do before we read the story is I want you to color out the words bam, brown. This will be a brown bear. The words at, I want you to color yellow. The word the is the red word, red. And Matt, you can color whatever color you want. Once you've colored all the words and you're ready to read the story. This is a story about Bam the bear, and Bam is sitting at different shaped mats. So let's read the first two parts together. Ready? Bam at the circle mat. And look, he's holding a ball in the shape of a circle. Bam at the triangle mat. And he's holding the ship. And the sails of the ship are in the shape of a triangle. Okay. Now we're ready to review the sounds we taught so far. I'm going to put right here the words that I want you to read a little bit faster. Eventually they'll be your sight words, so you can look at them by sight and you'll know them really fast. Okay? But let's review our sounds. Big M, little m, Big T, little t, 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 t. Ooh, let's do a grandma voice here. Big A, little a, ah, ah, ah. Another grandma voice. Big S, little s. Grandpa voice. Big B, little b, 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 b. That fun to do it in a different voice. And now let's review our sight words again. Ready? At, am, the. Good job. These books and more can be found on seeheardocompany.com.